Yeah, back again, an emoji unboxing, but this time I'm not really the one that unboxed it, and this is basically kind of not the one that I bought because yeah, I've been trying to not buying anything lately since I don't know, I just feel so lazy, and I think wasting money is not the one that basically make me productive or motivated. So I think I would prefer to be more good on managing the money. So hopefully I can buy something else that basically expensive but can give me more satisfaction that I achieve when just buying unnecessary cheap things. So yeah, since I didn't have a lot of unboxing, so I tried to record other unboxing. It basically not where basically I can actually enjoy the things, but I'm not the one that basically making the purchase. So yeah, it is pretty long. It's around 3 minutes of unboxing for this single big package. Basically, this is one of the complete package of previous stone plate that I used to buy. This time I just tried to buy other colors, but in a more complete package. So there's also a wooden plate in it's basically underneath the stone in order to make it look good for any kind of purposes for food aesthetic or something like that. So usually I was firstly known this kind of plate from the local steak house near my house. So basically I tried to test it, their signature menu, and the different things between the regular and the signature menu is basically on the plate. So I decided want to buy it for quite a long time ago, but I decided to buy it right now. Cashback that I've been trying to save before transactions. So yeah, but in order to record an aesthetic, those kind of steak menu, I also need to do another several things that I've been not prepare, such as the lighting system, in order to make the food even look good during the photo shoot. So yeah, that's the wood covers. That was